In this video, we will find out which is the best AI video generator in 2025. But I want to talk about Sora, as it has been the most hyped and awaited. A few weeks ago, Sora OpenAI was released, and it had been the most awaited AI video generator. With $20 a month, you can create up to 50 videos, 1,000 credits, at a maximum resolution of 720p and up to 5 seconds in duration. For $200 a month, you get up to 500 videos, 10,000 credits, unlimited relaxed videos, a maximum resolution of 1080p, up to 20 seconds in duration, 5 concurrent generations, and downloads without a watermark.
However,
the price is too high for what it offers, making it unfriendly for most users. It struggles to create what we intend, lacks coherence with the prompt, and fails to produce realistic results. It was super hyped, but it didn't turn out to be what we expected. Considering the lack of quality and the steep pricing, I don't recommend it. Here's a new AI video generator that will be extremely useful for video editors in 2025. With it, you can create any video clip from text or images. It's called TransPixar. This tool will help video editors take their skills to the next level. No more dealing with complex editing or plugins. You can simply create a video clip with a transparent background, then import and blend it into your scene. However, one issue I've encountered is that when I import the video clips into Premiere Pro or After Effects, the checkerboard background is not transparent. I haven't figured out the solution yet, but I've already reached out to Adobe support. I'll provide an update once I hear back from TransPixar support or find a solution. Here's another video generator similar to TransPixar. With this, you can add anything to a video. For example, in this scene, a butterfly is added, but you can insert any object or image you want. You can also change a person's clothes, add jewelry, and the AI automatically knows where to place everything. You can even swap someone's face. Plus, you can add a logo to a person's clothing or do a lot more. In this example, images of a tiger and a dog from different photos were added, and the two animals fit seamlessly into the scene. You can literally do anything with this tool. It's super cool and will really elevate the video quality without needing complex editing. Now let's watch the results of the clips made with VideoAnydoor. Another super useful AI video generator is Invideo. It can create the entire video production process based on your video title or prompt. You can also add a video link or a website URL, and it will generate a script, voiceover, and a fully produced video based on your input. It also adds music, subtitles, and transitions. Plus, you can easily edit and modify any segment of the video as needed. Minimax, also known as VideoAnydoor AI, is a popular and powerful video generation tool. It allows users to create videos from both images and text, offering great flexibility in video creation. One of its standout features is the ability to use a reference image to generate consistent characters across different scenes, eliminating the need to create multiple images for each frame. By simply using one reference image and adjusting the prompts, you can generate various scenes with the same character, ensuring continuity and consistency in your videos. While VideoAnydoor AI offers similar functionality, it doesn't quite match the video quality that Minimax provides. The video outputs from Minimax are typically higher in fidelity and more polished, making it a preferred choice for many creators. This is particularly beneficial because it eliminates the need to train multiple AI models to maintain character consistency. Everything can be done within VideoAnydoor AI. A recent update, S2V01, has taken Minimax to the next level. This update enhances the ability to create highly consistent characters with remarkable detail and flexibility, allowing for even more creativity and precision in video generation. The improvements in character fidelity and scene generation make Minimax a true game-changer in the AI video creation space. Minimax also comes with a range of other features that further enhance its utility, but for this video, we're focusing on its video generation capabilities, as it's one of the best tools available for creating high-quality AI-generated videos. Whether you're working on animations, presentations, or any form of visual storytelling, Minimax offers a seamless and powerful solution. Another new AI video generator that beats all other AI video generators in terms of realism and overall results is Google Veo 2. It can create super realistic videos, and the results are truly impressive. This tool has outperformed all other AI video generators, setting a new benchmark in the industry. Currently, it is only available in the US, but it is expected to expand and be available worldwide soon. Now, coming to my favorite and the best AI video generator, it's Kling. It's currently at version 1.6, and it excels in understanding prompts, accuracy with physics, and delivering highly realistic results. You can create videos from text or images, and it also includes a lip sync feature. Kling offers a motion brush to control the movement of objects, and you can even use negative prompts such as blur, distortion, or morphing. It also supports camera movements and offers both standard and professional modes. Unlike other AI video generators, Kling is not expensive, yet its output is the best, making it the top choice for AI video generation. All the AI video generators mentioned in this video are the best for 2025. TransPixar and VideoAnydoor will be super useful for video editors looking to take their work to the next level. With Invideo AI, you can manage the entire video creation process. Now let me rank the best AI video generators of 2025 based on their ability to create more realistic results and deliver what we intend in a more natural way. Google Veo 2 and Kling are the top contenders, with Kling taking the overall lead as the best, followed by Google Veo 2 and Minimax. So, if you're looking for the best AI video generator in 2025, this video will help you make the right choice without having to test them all yourself, saving you a lot of time and money on credits or subscriptions. By simply watching this video, you can skip all that hassle and choose the best tool. Please do me a favor. Like this video, comment if you have any questions or want to share your opinion, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. There are many more useful videos coming your way, so don't miss out. Anyway, thank you for watching until the end. I hope you don't forget to subscribe so you can always stay updated. Thank you again, and I don't want you to miss out. Stay updated at all times.
Sure, please follow me.
Gotcha. Okay, here we go.